Hi, I'm Reno, and I know how to sniff out good fixer-upper deals. This fixer-upper is in Arroyo Grande, California, and has over 1 acre of land. It's a 3-bedroom, 1-bath house built in 1959 that can use some fixing up. It's a nice house, but it's got no garage, so you can use a renovation loan not only to build a whole new garage, you can use it to remodel the bathroom, put new flooring, new paint, and even a kitchen remodel, new appliances, and things like that. With a rental loan, it's one loan that includes money to buy it and fix it up the way you want. It's available for owner-occupied, second homes, and investment properties. To learn more about rental loans, go to readyforremodel.com. That's ready, the number 4, remodel.com.